the guys on the meeting. It was a really, really informative session because it gave us a really good note on how to do our research about research gap and etc. And thank you, sir, for providing us such a informative talk.
Thank you, Keerthi, ma'am. And now I would like to hear from Nidhi Singh Rathou. So Nidhi, you can also unmute from your side and you can share your feedback.
Yes, thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. And thank you, SK Baral, sir. I'm also from Indira Gandhi University. And from first day, I'm seeing that sir have explained very well about research and qualitative research method, quantitative research method. And I have joined all the session and enjoying and learning more and more. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Nidhi, for your message. And now I would like to unmute. Yeah, here I have seen that Mr. Anand has raised his hand. So I would like to hear from you also.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. Really, this lecture was about how to form questions, and there's a research gap. A fantastic chart which sir has shown. And one must understand while doing the research, try to understand what is the gap and where it is lacking. Very well, sir has presented that in that slide exactly, and even not only that, even the last conclusion slide also by giving the hospitals as an administrator how we are going for that. So really, thank you so much. It was really wonderful by giving very simple example with a good slide presentation. Thank you so much. Our organizing team members, because selecting the teachers is also very important, and I really enjoyed it. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. You are here. I'm audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are audible, but little bit like your voice is not clear actually.
So I said that sir has given about the how to questionnaire, how to form a question. That slide was very good one to understand that, because forming question is a big problem. Another sir has shown that a beautiful slide about the research gap. One must understand what type of the research gap is there and where it is lacking.
Okay.
So through that issue, that sir has shown fantastic given the presentation. And last slide was that about the conclusions. Sir has given example about the hospital. Really wonderful things and good presentation. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thanks to all organizing team members as well as choosing the right people. That is also credit goes to you people. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Okay, so maybe Mr. Anand is asking about the research gap as far I have heard. So sir can also clear his doubt also.
I will answer this question. You see, research gap is a kind of like studies you have to study. Where
sir,
the previous research.
Sir, my question, sir, I understood. My question is not for that. It was a really wonderful. You have given the presentation through one slide, and what type of research gap in this? I was saying that I am happy about that. My question is not about the research gap.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Because I attended so many lectures and other things, even my college also, but nobody's given in one slide all the things. They said that only one word. There is a research gap. Slightly, hardly few seconds, a few minutes they are talking, but in your one slide everything was there. Thank you so much for that slide you have chosen and your efforts, and plus organizing team member they have chosen you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
So now I would like to hear from Nidhi Santoshi also. You are with the video on mode, so you can also unmute from your side and please share your feedback.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir. It was really nice to hear you, sir. Each and every concept was clear, and with examples, we get every concept. And for mixed method, I got much knowledge through your presentation. So thank you, Professor S.K. Baral, sir. I'm also from Indira Gandhi National Tribal University. So it was very nice to hear you every time, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Santoshi. And now I would like to unmute Vigram. Also, you can unmute from your side.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. So I am Vikram from Central Ministry of Gujarat. So first of all, I'll thank Dr. Baral sir for a wonderful presentation. It was very nice. We collected so much information about the qualitative and quantitative research methodology. Such a wonderful presentation. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you for your feedback. And now I would like to unmute MUKTHAR Ahmed also, as I saw him also to raise hand. So you can also unmute from your side.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Very informative session, ma'am. You have, sir, have given in-depth presentation on quantitative and qualitative research. Really astonishing session, and we are proud of you, the people who are imparting us a quality research and training. We are always grateful to you for this act of kindness and hope you will continue the same in future and will adopt positive, constructive and creative attitude towards research and trainings, so that there will be ennobling influences to all the impressionable researchers in our contemporary world and as in the global level. I am grateful to you ever and thankful to you forever. Thank you, ma'am. And thank all the participants.
Yeah. Thank you, MUKTHAR Ahmed, for your feedback. And we have seen that today in our webinar about the qualitative research design, and it is really in the need of the researcher. And we have received numbers of messages. I'm really happy that participants are coming with the video on mode and they are sharing their comments, feedback. And it is giving the happiness to the speakers also, because they are supporting you, they are sharing their experience, knowledge with you, and also you are supporting our speaker, and that is our honor. And now it's the time to hear from our Dean, Professor Dr. Rajesh KONNUR sir, for our Baral sir presentation.
Good evening, madam, and
Namaste,
sir. Namaste, sir. Of course, sirs, from these participants, we came to know that sir's presentation is very, very excellent. Of course, it is an excellent. There is no words to explain. Sir has started with the concept of research, the definition, and also features, okay, characteristics with very nice slides and very contemporary knowledge on research gap, okay, and also paper designing. And at the last, sir has told that when success is not given, it is earned. It is a very classic note of today, okay. I appreciate and also I value it because it's not a monetary thing, okay. We have to gain. It is just like an earning and keeping in your safe deposit, okay. Success, it will not be in a one-day business or in 1 year business. It is a lifelong process, okay. It has motivated me, and also I hope that when the participants has get motivated from this quote. I thank you, sir, and I am very grateful to you for delivering an excellent session. And also I am very grateful and thankful to Dr. Our Prof Vice Chancellor, Dr. Catalino sir, for his first session. Thank you one and all. Good night from India. Good night.